Okay, so this is how you configure the robot. So here you press flat and you go to configure robot, and here we have several saved configurations. What I'm using right now is Microbot, and here you can see the expansion hub shows up here, and this is that expansion hub. And going in, first we have to configure the motors. As you can see, connected to port 0 here is this motor right here. So for that, we click on this and make it a motor, and then you name it whatever you named it in the code, and we do the same for port 1. It's connected to this other motor, so we find the type of motor, which is the Rev Robotics Core Hex motor, and we name it Let's try. And we shouldn't have any other motors. Once you're done with that, are these sensors connected? Alright, you have to configure the sensors. As you can see here, one of them is digital, and so you go to digital devices, and it's in port 1, so in 1 here, you put digital device and name it touch sensor. And here we have another sensor in this I2C section, and it's 1, so you click I2C bus 1, and you put in the type and name it. And that should be it.